In front of me is Huawei Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select sounds, and here click on SIM ringtone. And now here you've got options that you can apply, so let me show you all of them. And then just pick the ringtone that you want to apply, go back, and as you can see it has been already changed. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.